What's up, Enjin coin holders? How are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. Today I'm present with another latest update of the Enjin coin. My friends, first of all, I want to congratulate that after a great fast, the Enjin coin start pumping. Enjin coin in this time is in the pumping mode, and the price is going to the moon. It is time we discuss the latest update. So first of all, I want to request everyone click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. My friends, please make sure to subscribe. If you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest update, the latest notification about the challenge, Enjin coin and the another cryptocurrencies market. My friends, at this time the latest price of the Enjin coin in the market is 1.29 USD dollar. 1.29 USD dollar is the latest price of the Enjin coin in the market. And on the other side, if we talk about the price changes of the Enjin coin, so my friends, you know what occurred yesterday in the market? My friends, yesterday the whole cryptocurrencies market is going down. The market is completely going in the crash. But now at this time, everything is going positive. Everything is going positive, and I'm very happy when I see this kind of positive change occur in the Enjin coin. Let's see, my friends, the price chart. My friends, on the 10th June, the price of the Enjin coin is completely falls down. Completely, there's only one direction the price is going down yesterday. But now in the start of 11th June, the price start pumping, and still at this time the price start moving upward. I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the Enjin coin. So my prediction about Enjin coin is that they will continue this jump for a long time. They will continue this jump for a long time. How do you feel today about Enjin coin? Tell me in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.